Hey, I am Alisher and in this video I'm going to talk about red panda having the scientific name Ailurus fulgens. They have soft, dense fur and alternating light and dark rings on tail. Head to tail they are 20 to 29 inches or 50 to 73 centimeters. Their weight is 7 to 13 pound or 3 to 6 kg. They are vulnerable to extinction. They feed on bamboo, fruit, insects and eggs and found into the south to southeast of Asia. Once thought to be related to giant pandas, the red panda has closer genetic links to the weasels and raccoons, also called the firefox in China. This slow-moving mammal spends most of its life in trees in Asia's mountain forests, where its striking reddish-brown fur allows it to blend in with the moss-covered branches of its arboreal home. Red pandas move slowly to conserve energy as the bamboo shoots and leaves that make up most of their diet are so indigestible. They eat up to 30% of their body weight daily, but use only about a quarter of bamboo's available nutrients, yet they rely on the plant to survive when other food is scarce. In winter, red pandas can lose up to 15% of their body weight due to lack of food, so they slow down their metabolism to compensate as temperature falls. Red pandas mate on the ground, but females return to their nest to give birth to between 1 and 4 cubs, which stay with their mother for a year or more. Moving a cub, female red pandas move their cubs to different nests to avoid discovery by the predators such as martins and snow leopards. Watchful case Although they regularly use scent markings, red pandas also communicate with each other using stare-downs accompanied by the head bobbing and vocalization. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel and stay connected to it.